Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to deploy your GitHub project on Render step by step. So let's get started. First, open both Render and GitHub in separate tabs. I'll be deploying a simple website project that's already uploaded to my GitHub repository. Make sure your project is pushed to GitHub before you begin. Once it's there, go to Render and log in to your account. On your Render dashboard, click Add New and choose the option that matches your project type. Since I'm deploying a static website, I'll select Static Site. Next, Render will ask you to connect your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account. Click GitHub, and if you're already signed in, Render will automatically display all your repositories. Select the repository you want to deploy. In my case, I'll choose my To-Do Site project. Now, give your project a name, for example, To-Do Site. Then, choose the branch you want to deploy. Usually it's the main branch by default. You can confirm that by checking your GitHub repository. For the root directory, you can leave it blank unless you're working in a monorepo. Keep the build command as default. In the Publish Directory section, type a single period, dot. This tells Render to use the root folder of your project. If you're using a specific framework, you can enter that framework's build folder instead. Scroll down to review any advanced settings if needed, but for a simple static site, you can skip this part. Once everything looks good, click Deploy Static Site. Render will now start building and deploying your project, which might take a few minutes. When the process is complete, you'll see the status change to Live, meaning your project has been successfully deployed. Render will also provide a unique subdomain URL for your site, which you can customize later. Copy that URL, open it in your browser, and your website should now be live. And that's it. You've successfully deployed your GitHub project on Render. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If you found it useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.